Hey guys, welcome to Simply Jen Homestead. How you doing? But we're not there. We're at Resourceful Living's house right now. We got news. We got big news, y'all. Pay attention. Okay. We got news.
Big news.
Huge.
Whopping huge news, people.
Absolutely
You will
enormous.
not believe this.
It's so big you won't even believe it. What are we doing?
You don't want to miss this. What is it again we're doing, guys?
We're
Something about plants.
Okay, let me think.
Oh,
I remember.
There's a new collaboration.
Hashtag
Oh,
Grow what you eat. 26.
Yes.
Grow what you eat.
Hashtag
26.
Grow What You Eat 26. April 1st to September 30th. You take it, Kathy.
And so all you got to do is email us at growwhatyoueat@gmail.com
That's
if
right.
you'd like to join the collaboration, and give us your channel name, your email address,
Yeah.
and submit a entry video. So you can start submitting your entry videos today if you'd like.
Yeah.
And we just want to kind of know.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Early bird special right there.
Yeah.
It's an open collab.
It's
an open
open.
collab.
Anybody can join.
Everybody can join.
That's right. And it's hosted by Resourceful Living, Butler Family Farm, and Simply Jen Homestead.
Can't do it without you,
Yeah,
girls.
no, I know.
It takes all three of us.
It takes a village.
And you guys.
That's right.
So in your entry video, it doesn't have to be anything spectacular. Just when you get ideas of what your plans are, whether you're going to grow in a garden, a greenhouse, hydroponics, indoors, outdoors,
Anything.
front porch, back deck,
That's
whatever.
right.
Just
That's right.
let us know in your entry video what your plans are.
Yeah.
And if you know what you're going to plant, let us know what those are.
And you're going to eat.
Yes. So
Grow what
again,
you eat.
grow what
What
you
you
eat.
eat.
Instead of growing a bunch of different things that you won't eat, you're going to end up donating. Just grow what you eat.
Yeah.
Hashtag grow what you eat.
And
26.
if you want to show what you grew that you're going to eat in a meal, feel free to do that too.
Yeah,
It's okay. If you're going to dehydrate what you're going to eat that you grew, that's okay too, because you're going to use it eventually, right?
That's
Yes.
what we want.
Or freeze dry. I'm not that rich yet, so.
Or a freezer. I put mine in the freezer.
Freezer, yeah.
Can.
Yes.
Can it?
Yeah.
Pressure can, water bath
Go
can.
girl.
Yes.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in the description of this video, we'll give all the little guidelines on it.
Yeah.
Kind of the little, not really rules,
Not
because there's
rules.
not a lot of rules.
We don't
It's
have
just,
rules.
a guideline.
Just grow what you eat.
Yeah.
And there is a giveaway
Oh,
at the
yeah.
end of the collaboration. We don't have a specific.
We don't have a date yet.
No, but if
the
you
collab
want to
is-
donate.
The collab ends on the 30th. So
Yeah.
in between all this growing time, we need to have in June, July, update video
Yeah.
of what's happening, good, bad, or indifferent. Out in your garden, we want to hear. We want to hear it all.
Yeah.
Not just the good stuff. We want to hear the bad stuff.
Good, the bad, the ugly.
That's
We
right.
know there's ugly.
And then there's going to be an ending video. So
Yeah.
you can video every day if you want, every week. But
Yeah.
you need to video the entry video,
3 videos.
the mid-season
Mid-season
video, and
and
the
the end.
ending.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you
Sounds
have
good.
any questions, just send us an email. All this will be in the description.
Yeah. Each channel will have all that information in all our channels. And
Wow.
I'm stoked about this. I'm so looking forward
We're all
to this
going
collab.
to have playlists once the
Yes,
videos
we'll
start
have a
popping in.
playlist. Share
So-
it, like, subscribe, thumbs
And
up.
bring your friends in with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That'll be fun.
You
Lots
can
of-
grow
lots
with
of
your
people.
friends. You got a community garden? Heck yeah.
Yeah.
We're
Oh,
down.
those are good.
Yes,
Community
absolutely.
gardens, those
Yeah.
are good. Those
We've
are
got a
important.
few in our town.
Yeah.
So,
That's
well,
important.
not in our town, but around.
Grow what
Alright.
you eat 26.
Hashtag.
And we'll see you guys.
Thank you. Looking forward to it.
Yes.
We are excited.
See you on the next one, y'all. Be
Bye.
blessed. Love well. Bye, Nat. Bye.